Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to redeem your Lego gift card. Lego is a line of plastic construction toys manufactured by the Lego Group. So without further ado, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and in the search bar type down www.lego.com and hit the enter button. Then within the matter of seconds, you'll be redirected to homepage of Lego. Make sure you log into your Lego account. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scroll and randomly select a product. So I'm selecting the Stitch product and it's on the right side of my screen. So I'm going ahead and clicking on Add to Bag. After that, within a matter of seconds, a menu like this will pop up on your screen after you select your product. In the screen, click on View My Bag. After that, you'll be redirected to another page, and in this page you can see order summary on the right side of this page, and here you can see enter a zip code to estimate tax and delivery. You can either type down the zip code or do it later, it's your choice. After that, click on checkout securely just below order total. In this page, you'll have to type down your shipping details. Type down your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your address. You can either enter your street name or zip code. After you do that, you can select your address by just scrolling down after various options come on your screen. Doing that will automatically fill various options such as city, state, and zip code. But if you cannot find your address on the scroll down menu, then you'll have to type everything manually. After filling all this information, go ahead and click on use this address. After you do that, we'll have to move forward with the payment. Then click on continue to payment. After you click on that, you'll be redirected to another page, and in that page just below the payment option you can see two options. The first is add a Lego Insiders discount code, and besides that is pay with a Lego gift card. Go ahead and click on that option. After that, a window like this will pop up on your screen. What you have to do now is you have to go ahead and type down your Lego gift card number. Then beneath it, you'll have to type down the PIN code. Then click on Apply Gift Card on the bottom of this window. Doing this will redeem your gift card on Lego. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.